Hello guys, this is Haitian Wifey. So in this video we're gonna make some Haitian breakfast together, okay? And it's gonna be like scrambled eggs, veggies, turkey sausage, and green plantain, okay? This breakfast we call it bannann in Haiti, bannann like scrambled eggs with green plantain. But you don't have to eat it with the green plantain if you don't like it. You can try it with some bread or you can just eat it like that. And also, if you are a vegetarian, you don't have to add the sausage. You can just do it like that. I know some vegetarian, they don't do eggs at all, but some vegetarian, they do eat eggs, okay? And also, if you don't do meat but you do eat fish, you can try it with the smoked fish. It's very good with the smoked fish because in Haiti usually we use the smoked fish instead of the turkey sausage, but I couldn't find the smoked fish, but I've been using the turkey sausage. Some people in Haiti, they use it too, and it's still good. Okay guys, so we just mix everything together. The veggies, we added some piece. You know, Haitian people don't play about their piece, okay? So mix everything together so we can have a nice taste and also nice looking food. Because for me personally, if I'm gonna try some food and I don't like what I'm seeing, like the thing is not attractive, so I'm not even gonna try it. Okay, so the color, look at this color, guys. All the veggies together looking so good. Okay, and the smell is so good, guys. Okay, so we I'm sorry. We're gonna add the eggs now. Okay, we add the eggs and we're gonna do the scramble part, like mix the eggs with the veggies. And like I've been saying, this recipe it's about mixing everything together, mixing the eggs, the veggies, and the sausage together. Okay, so you can either eat it with the green plantain or you can try it with some bread if you don't like the plantain, or you can just eat it like that. Okay, so I did eat it with the green plantain because in Haiti we eat it with plantain or bread, but I ate it with the plantain. My husband just ate it like that. Okay, so go give it a try, guys, and let me know what you think about it. Okay, so and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.